Chad Lucas with Bellingham Marine, project manager. I've been with the company for about 5 years. We're out at the iconic Venice Fishing Pier performing some maintenance and repair, concrete restoration on the underside of the pier. The repairs are under about 1,200 lineal feet of the pier on the underside. Bellingham has over 60 years of experience in the concrete industry. So really an excellent team to be part of this project and come up with a creative solution to make sure this project gets done on the city's budget and time. With all the damage underneath, the load capacity was cut to nearly 50%, down to 100 PSF. So we had to get creative with how we were going to build the scaffolding and access the work and complete the repairs. We're now at about 75% complete on the project and on track to have the pier open to the public by the time summer comes around. This has been one of my favorite projects. Really had to think outside the box on this one and be creative for it to be successful. And started from estimating to taking it through the end. It's been a fun project. I'm excited to see it finish. The finish line is there. We're on final phase here, and then we're closing out with some piling repair on the final phase. And it's been a great project. City's been great to work with. All our vendors have been great to work with. Everyone's been very involved in this project. It's special. We're here watching the surfers and sunrise and sunset every day, working long hours, working hard, and making sure it ends successfully for everyone.
As far as working with Bellingham, Bellingham has been a great contractor to work with. They're very professional, very transparent. They know what they're doing. It's been a pleasure so far. No issues have come up. I know this project has several phases that it has to go through. This is just the first phase. I believe at least in planning, there's 2 more. Not sure when that's going to happen, but if Bellingham were to come around again and handle the next 2 phases or whatever phase they can, I'd be more than happy. If I could get assigned to this project again, I'd be more than happy to work with them. So far, it's been great. No complaints. Just a good group of guys working.